Good morning, everyone. Another beautiful day of our life. So, gusto ko lang i-share kasi ito yung life experience ko. Oh, teka. First time natin, gusto ko lang maging true to myself and just be me and to finally just talk to people in online world and share my wisdom on how did I got here and just make some friends or just connect with people. So, ang gusto ko lang kasi i-share is naobserbahan ko lang na on my 20s or not just 20s, on my young age, wala na akong ginawa kundi mag-aral. Simula ng elementary, nung nalaman ko na mahirap kami, we went to public school, hindi kami makakain ng complete meal, nainggit pa nga ako sa mga classmate ko na, oh wow, sarap ng ulam nila, sinigang kami. Sabaw lang. Yung mga ganon. So, naging aware ako na, mahirap yung buhay namin. Siyam kaming magkakapatid. So, ang naging motto ko na sa buhay ay talagang, I don't wanna be poor. Pinanganak na akong mahirap. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako mamamatay na mahirap. I will work so hard to get in there. So, at a very young age, naging sobrang aware ako na kailangan paghirapan ko lahat yung mga bagay na gusto kong makamit sa buhay. There's pros and cons on that, but this is what I've learned. Now that I'm in 34, now that I have achieved most or almost everything that I dreamed when I was on my teenager and 20s, all that, the beautiful house, the dream car, my fiance, and the life that I am living right now. Nobody's perfect, nobody's life is perfect, but what I appreciate is every year we're growing. So I love that idea. So this is the best thing that I've learned is if you're in your early years in your life, you don't know yet what career you wanted to do, what life you will have. I know, nakakatakot, diba? Parang, ang gusto ko lang talaga nun, makagraduate ng college. Akala ko pag ako'y nakagraduate ng college, mababago na yung buhay ko na, yun na, magkakatrabaho na ako and all that, everything will be perfect. But it's not. So life is a progress. Hindi siya, kung may na-expect na pag na-accomplish mo na to, okay na lahat. Hindi ganun yung buhay. Life has always up and down. So, yun nga, ang naobserbahan ko is I worked so hard on since I was in my teenage years, talagang, we're poor, but I was working hard toward that goals, that I build that skills, I build that confidence, na hindi na ako natatakot sa hamon ng buhay. Dati nga wala akong makain dati nga wala akong pamasahe, wala akong, mga panggastos na, yung pera ko, hindi kasya sa pamasahe papunta sa school, or yung mga ganung bagay, or pambayad ng tuition. So, what more pa kaya yung ngayon na, okay, may na-build na akong experience in my life. So, I know I will be okay. Not because my situation is perfect or my situation is like, okay na lahat sa buhay. Hindi, walang ganun. Life will always challenge us, but because we build our skills to get through dun sa mga bagay na akala natin hindi natin makakaya, kumbaga na-build natin na yung muscles natin na, okay, itong mga hamon ng buhay na to na nalagpasan ko is nag-build ng confidence sa akin na kahit anong mangyari sa buhay, kaya natin. May mga times na syempre maladown tayo because we're also a human beings. We always have emotions. But as long as we live, as long as you move forward, you will always get through with that struggles or experience. So, yun lang, and I hope you learned something. And I can't wait to just just share